Fintech has been called the future of money. From Robinhood and SoFi to crypto, blockchain, and AI-driven investing apps, the hype is real. But here's the million-dollar question. Is fintech actually building the future, or are we living in a giant bubble that's about to burst? Let's break it down. Over the past decade, fintech has exploded. Mobile banking, zero-commission investing, instant transfers, and crypto wallets have replaced a lot of what traditional banks used to control. Investors saw massive potential. Billions poured into fintech startups. In fact, global fintech funding peaked at over $200 billion. The appeal was simple. Fintech was faster, cheaper, and more accessible than big banks. For a while, it seemed unstoppable. But here's the problem. Many fintech companies aren't profitable. Look at Robinhood. Its valuation dropped from $85 billion at IPO down to under $10 billion today. Coinbase. Same story. Tons of buy now pay later apps like Klarna and Affirm, slashing valuations and cutting staff. The truth is, a lot of fintech business models rely on constant growth, cheap capital, and high-risk customer behavior. But when interest rates rise, investors get cautious, and suddenly the magic stops working. So is fintech a bubble? In some ways, yes. Just like the dot-com era, there's been overhype, overfunding, and way too many companies chasing the same idea. But here's the difference. Fintech isn't going away. Even if some players collapse, the technology itself, mobile banking, instant transfers, decentralized finance, AI-powered lending, is here to stay. The bubble isn't in fintech as a whole. It's in valuations. Too many companies were priced like they'd replace entire banks overnight. Reality is slower. The winners in fintech will be the ones who can scale sustainably, prove profitability, and gain customer trust. We might see consolidation, fewer players, but stronger ones. Expect big tech, like Apple, Google, and Amazon, to keep moving into banking. And traditional banks? They're not disappearing. They're adopting fintech too. So the future is less fintech versus banks and more fintech inside banks. Bottom line, the hype bubble may be popping, but fintech as a whole is not dead. It's evolving. So what do you think? Is fintech just another bubble waiting to burst? Or is it simply in a correction phase before its next big wave? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned here on Fintech Frontier, where we explore the future of money and technology.